Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lincoln MKZ check engine light. Before you even think about clearing that warning, it's absolutely crucial to understand why it came on in the first place. A check engine light is your vehicle's way of telling you something is wrong, and simply resetting it without addressing the root cause could lead to more serious and costly repairs down the road. Always perform a diagnostic scan first. The most effective and recommended method for resetting your check engine light involves using an OBD2 scanner. First, locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, which is usually found under the dashboard on the driver's side. Once connected, turn your Lincoln MKZ's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Navigate through the scanner's menu to read the diagnostic trouble codes, then select the option to clear them. This process typically takes less than 1 minute. Another method, though less ideal, is to disconnect your vehicle's battery. First, ensure your car is off and locate the battery. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal. It's important to wait for at least 15 minutes to allow the vehicle's computer to fully discharge and clear any stored codes. After the waiting period, securely reconnect the negative terminal. Be aware that this method might also reset your radio presets and other electronic settings. After resetting the check engine light, whether with a scanner or by disconnecting the battery, take your Lincoln MKZ for a short drive. This allows the vehicle's computer to run its diagnostic checks. If the light stays off, great. However, if it illuminates again, it's a clear sign that the original problem still exists and needs further attention. Always prioritize fixing the root cause to ensure your vehicle's long-term health and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.